Hello friends, welcome to NUniverse 22. If you not subscribe NUniverse 22, firstly subscribe it for getting the notification for uploading of videos on various topics of refrigeration and air conditioning. Today in this video we will discuss about problem number 2, that is based on heat pump, heat engine and refrigerator. The statement of problem is a reversible heat engine operates between two reservoirs at temperatures 700 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Here the temperature range for heat engine is given. The higher temperature for heat engine is 700 degrees Celsius and low temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. The engine drives a reversible refrigerator which operates between reservoir at temperatures of 50 degrees Celsius and minus 25 degrees Celsius. So here the engine is used to drive the refrigerator and the temperature range for refrigerator is given, that are 50 degrees Celsius is higher temperature and minus 25 degrees Celsius is lower temperature for refrigerator. The heat transfer to the engine is 2500 kilojoule. The heat transfer for driving the engine that is given, that is 2500 kilojoule, and net work output of the combined engine refrigerator plant is 400 kilojoule. And here we have to determine number 1, the net heat transfer to the reservoir at 50 degrees Celsius, and in second part by considering the first case, given that efficiency of heat engine and COP of refrigerator are each 45% of their maximum possible value. So in this case here you want to say that by calculating the COP and efficiency of engine in first part, in second part we take the 45% of that values and calculating again the net heat transfer at the 50 degrees Celsius. Here one thing is important, in both the cases one temperature is important and that is common. In both cases, in case of heat engine and heat refrigerator, this 50 degree temperature is common. In case of engine, this is the lower temperature. In case of refrigerator, this is the higher temperature. So now we try to solve it. So here firstly we plot the diagram. This is the high temperature for the heat engine, that is 973 Kelvin, that is 700 plus 273, that is 973 Kelvin, high temperature for heat engine. And the low temperature for heat engine, that is 323 Kelvin, that is 50 plus 273, that is 323 Kelvin, low temperature for heat engine. And it is also the high temperature for refrigerator. As we discussed, this is the common temperature. And next is T3, that is 248 Kelvin, this is the low temperature for refrigerator, that is minus 25 plus 273, that is 248 Kelvin, low temperature for refrigerator. So here as in statement is given, heat transfer to the engine, that is 2500 kilojoule. So that is the Q1 is the heat transfer for getting the work done W1, and rest of amount that is exhausted, that is Q2 at low temperature. And W2 is the work done that is used for extracting the heat Q4 from low temperature for getting the refrigerating effect, and finally Q3 that is discharged at temperature T2. And the net work done for heat engine and refrigerator, that is W is given, that is equal to 400 kilojoule. So here firstly heat transfer to the heat engine, that is Q1, that is 2500 kilojoule, that is given. The net work output of the combined engine refrigerator plant. So how we can calculate? If we calculate W1 minus W2, that is equal to W. So here that is given, the difference between W1 and W2 is given, that is 400 kilojoule. So here we try to solve its first case. The maximum efficiency of heat engine is given by the maximum efficiency of heat engine, that is the difference of higher temperature minus lower temperature divided by lower temperature. So these values are given and we try to solve, that is 1 minus 323 divided by 973, that is equal to 0.668, and the efficiency also equal to work done upon heat supplied. Work done, that is W1 in case of heat engine, and heat supplied, that is the Q1, and this is also equal to efficiency, and we already calculated efficiency, that is 0.668, and Q1 is given, that is 2500. So then W1 equal to Q1 into 0.668. So we write here W1 equal to Q1 into 0.668. So that is 2500 into 0.668, that is equal to 1670 kilojoule. This is the W1. So here we have three parameter, W1, W2 and W. So W1 is we calculated and W is given, so we can find out the value of W2 also. And firstly, the COP, that is the maximum COP in case of refrigerator, that is equal to, this is lower temperature upon higher temperature minus lower temperature. These temperatures are given, so the COP in case of refrigerator, that is equal to 3.306. And the another formula for COP, that is the refrigerating effect divided by work done, that is Q4 upon W2. So Q4 upon W2 equal to 3.306, that we calculated in last step. And as we discussed, W1 minus W2 equal to W, that is 400 kilojoule given, and value of W1 is calculated in here. So from this equation, W2 equal to W1 minus W equal to 1670 minus 400, that is equal to 1270 kilojoule. And by substituting this value in this equation, then we get Q4 equal to W2 into 3.306. W2 is 1270 into 3.306, the result is 4198.6 kilojoule. So this is the amount of heat that is extracted at low temperature for getting the refrigerating effect. And the value of Q3 here, so we can say what is the value of Q3? Q3, that is equal to Q4 plus W2, and the value of Q4, that is 4198.6 plus W2, that is 1270, that is equal to 5468.6 kilojoule. And the value of Q2, this is the value of Q2, that is equal to Q1 minus W1. The value of Q1, that is 2500 given, minus value of W1 that we have calculated here, that is 1670, and Q2 equal to 830 kilojoule. And finally we have to find out heat rejected to the 50 degree Celsius reservoir. Mean to say, what is the heat rejected at temperature 50 degree? This is the common temperature for both the cases at which heat is rejected. So by summation of Q2 plus Q3 we can find out our answer. The value of Q2 plus Q3, that is equal to 830 plus 5468.6 equal to 6298.6 kilojoule. So this is the first case. And now try to solve second case. In second case, as efficiency of actual heat engine cycle, that is equal to 45% of N maximum. So this value we have calculated in our first case. So that is the 0.45 into 0.668, new efficiency is 0.3. So we calculated 0.3, and W1 upon W2 is the formula of efficiency. So Q1 is given, that is 2500. So from here the value of W1, that is calculated 750 kilojoule. This is the new value of W1. Now we can find out the new value of W2. So that is W2 equal to W1 minus W equal to 750 minus 400, that is equal to 350 kilojoule. Now again we need to find out the new COP of actual refrigerator cycle. So new COP, that is also we product 0.45 with the COP 3.306. The new COP is 1.48. So by using new value of COP we can find out the value of Q4, that is again new value. So Q4 equal to 350 into 1.48. 350 is the value of W2 that we calculated here. So 350 into 1.48, that is equal to 518 kilojoule. And again the again new value of Q3 and Q2 need to find out. Q3 equal to Q4 plus W2 equal to 518 plus 350 equal to 868 kilojoule, and new value of Q2, that is Q1 minus W1. Q1 is 2500 and W1 is 750, so this is equal to 1750 kilojoule. So these are again new value of Q2 and Q3, and at 50 degrees Celsius the total heat rejected, that is equal to sum of Q2 plus Q3, and that is finally we get 2618 kilojoule. So today we have learnt another numerical that is based on heat pump, refrigerator and heat engine. If you like this video, share among your students and friends. Subscribe to get more video on more topics and Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.